Do you know the way and manner you prepare your food affect the quality of its digestion and absorption? Protein foods such as meat, eggs, fish and legumes, grains and cereals at best require some adequate time of boiling for proper digestion and absorption. Boiling softens and solubilizes foods, making them tender for easy mastication, speedy gastric digestion and absorption. So by just boiling your food well whenever appropriate, you spare your body or your digestive system some time and energy exerted in digestion and absorption. On the other hand, frying contributes to fat accumulation, and high-fat diet make digestion and absorption more difficult. According to Dr. Alberto Gonzalez, fried foods are not advisable not only because of their metabolic unsuitability, but also because they complicate the digestive process and overly stimulate the biliary and hepatic work. This means that regularly consuming fried or fatty foods makes your body requires more time and energy for proper digestion and absorption. And in so doing, you stress your digestive system, leading to other complications. Strong condiment, excessively salty and sugary foods, caffeine, highly processed foods are classified as irritating foods. And as the name suggests, regular consumption of these foods irritates your stomach lining, resulting to poor digestion and other digestive disorders. The last thing to talk about is fiber-rich foods. Yes, fiber is good as it necessitates the movement of foods in the digestive system, makes you feel full so that you don't overeat, offers protection for the stomach walls and prevents colon cancer. Notwithstanding, excessively high fiber diet can impede proper digestion and absorption. For example, high fiber food may not be well digested by the infant and the elderly, since their stomachs at these ages are weak in digesting fiber. And this is a call to be moderate even in good things. I hope you've learned something, at least. Kindly watch out for the next video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel as well. Nyame nhyira wo pii.